method. Now the first step is simple. We need to go out and find a product to promote. This is called affiliate marketing. And what I've found is I've actually found a product that you can earn up to $125 per sale, and it's a very high converting product. So the first step you want to do, and what you do is you actually get a commission from promoting this, so you get a percentage. You only need to do 2 or 3 sales per day if everyone goes through the upsells to make over $200. But a bit of a disclaimer, this does require work. I'm not saying everybody will make money from this. You might make money, you might not make money. This is an educational video to show you what's possible online. So the first step is you want to head over to a website called clickbank.com, and you simply want to go and start your own account. Now clickbank.com has a list of products that you can promote for a commission. But what I've done is I've handpicked the best product to promote for this particular tutorial. So once you've actually signed up to ClickBank, you want to go in and you want to click on Marketplace. Once you've clicked on Marketplace, you want to go down and you want to put in woodworking in the search bar. And we want to find a product based on woodworking. And I'll explain why in a second. So we have this one here called Ted's Woodworking. This is the best one for this method. I will tell you why in a second. So this has some woodworking plans and people can purchase this product. Now, what you want to do before we even do that is open up what we call the affiliate page. And we have down here all the information like the pricing, but we also have how much we can make through the funnel. But we also have these special affiliate links that are customized that we can use depending on what type of traffic we're going to get. So now what we need to do is actually go and start looking into the traffic and how to get traffic to these offers. And we're going to get a commission for placing these links. But where would you find traffic based on woodworking? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly where, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the next step is simple. We need to go and find traffic for these links. So we're going to actually go and take these links, we're going to put them somewhere, people are going to click on them, and then we can make money when they purchase the product. The next step is we need to go and actually tap into this massive traffic source. Now there's 2 ways to do this. There is the slow way of getting sales and there's the fast way. The slow way I've talked about before in a previous video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the fast way. So let's dive into it. It's simple. We're going to go out and we're going to use a platform called Pinterest. But I'm going to show you how to get the traffic quickly with Pinterest, not slowly. Now, a lot of people seem to think that you're not allowed to have affiliate links on Pinterest, but you can. Affiliate links are permitted, but there's a special way that you need to place them. So I'm going to show you exactly how to place them in this video so you don't get banned. Now, the first step, guys, is we need to actually go and create what we call Pinterest pins. I've actually gone out and created one for you that you can use. I'll leave a link below. It's completely free and you can go and get this pin. But what you want to do is go to a website called canva.com and you want to create an account. So this is called canva.com. You want to go to create a design and then just put in Pinterest. This is free to use. Pinterest pin. And it's going to give you the sizes and everything that you need. Okay, and you can just simply drag it in and then you can just edit it. So you can delete stuff here. You can change all the typing. You can do whatever you want. But to speed up this video, I've actually gone out and created one for you that you can use. So learn to build anything you want from beginner to expert. And I've got a little toolbox here, a little arrow down to some woodworking plans. Now, these woodworking plans are actually from the website that I'm going to promote because it kind of gives it a little bit of relevancy. So if we go down here, they should be just here. So I just took them off this website, okay? Now the next step, once you have your actual pin ready, so you have it ready and it should be this one here or should look like this one here. I know this converts, guys, have actually used it in the past, one similar to this. You wanna actually go and sign up to a Pinterest account and you wanna go and upload this. And then we're gonna dive into the secret traffic method that I'm using with Pinterest to get fast commissions. So you wanna go up to here, once you've created your Pinterest account, go to here and go to create a new pin. And the title you want to use, let me just find the one that I used before. All right, so I remember it now. It's build anything fun woodworking plans. Now you don't need a description for this, but you do need to upload the image. So I've got the image there and I'm going to upload it. Now you need to put your affiliate link in, but there's a bit of a secret. What people usually do is they go and click promote and it'll give you this link. These links that say ClickBank are not allowed on Pinterest. So what we need to do is we need to get our username here, so our account nickname. So copy that. I know what mine is. So XLR. Then we need to go to the affiliate page and we need to get the Facebook compliant one. And we need to copy this. Because see, it doesn't say ClickBank because we're going to put our ID there. We're going to go back into Pinterest and we're going to post that inside here. And we're going to put where it says ClickBank ID, we're going to put our username. And then it will not get banned on Pinterest. This is a clean affiliate link that you can use. And then I'm going to go publish. And I'm just going to put it into any type of board here. You can create a board if you like. It doesn't really matter with the specific traffic source that we're using. So I'm just going to go publish. Now, once this is published, when I click on this, okay, when I click on this, see my pin. I'm going to click on this and it takes me to that offer. It doesn't ban me. It doesn't block me. It takes me to that offer. But how do we actually get traffic to this? So if we actually go to woodworking, okay, you'll see that there's another ad that pops up, very similar to the one that I'm just doing. This is actually an advert, and we're going to go and run adverts to the woodworking niche where people actually go and search things. So if we click on this, this will take us to the same page as well, where people are they're actually collecting emails. So how do we actually do this? We want to go back to our profile here. Let me just go back to my profile. And we want to go and click ads and create an ad. Ads are so cheap on Pinterest right now that it's really, really simple to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest because it's so cheap and not many people are actually doing it. So let me show you how to do this so you can get fast, untapped traffic to these affiliate links, and you're going to get affiliate commissions for promoting these links. So when someone goes and clicks your pin and they go to your link, it'll track them. And if they make a purchase on this page, you're going to get a commission. Okay, so if they go there, you're going to get a commission, you're going to make money. The first sale is $67 and you get a commission from that. And then they have upsells where you can make money as well. And these are woodworking projects, woodworking plans. And woodworking is massive on Pinterest. If we go to woodworking, you'll see that there's an insane, infinite amount of woodworking stuff because it's so big on Pinterest. So it's got the perfect audience for us to go and promote this particular product. So the next step is we want to put this on traffic, because we can't track conversions because it's not our product. We want to put it on traffic and we want to send traffic to this. So you want to go down to campaign details and you just want to name this. So I'm going to name my woodworking test and I'm going to go down to here and I'm going to just leave that and I'm going to go to continue. And this is my ad group. So we have campaigns and then ad groups. I'm going to name this group 1. And I'm going to scroll down, and you don't need to worry about the audiences. You probably won't have anything in there. I just have some in there. We're going to go down to DIY, and we're going to go to woodworking. We have up to 4 million people. Now, you can do any niche, guys. You can do fitness, you can do all sorts of stuff. But I just use this one as an example because it is actually working on Pinterest. It's working very well at the moment. I do know this. Now, the next step is we want to go down and skip keywords. And you can change genders if you like. So if we do male, it's going to drop it a bit down to 2.4 million. But you probably keep it on female anyway. It really just depends. Obviously, the woodworking niche is a bit more geared towards males. So you can just do male if you like. But it's really up to you. I would recommend just doing both because you're going to get your stats anyway. And it'll tell you what's working the best for you, where you're getting the cheapest clicks. And then you can change it later on. And then ages, you probably want to do 18 plus. Locations, so this is just USA, I think. Oh, so we can do Australia, United Kingdom, United States, New Zealand, and then let's do Canada. That's the top 5, that's the best 5. And that brings it up to actually 5.4 million, which is pretty good. So I've selected Australia, Canada, and then I've selected New Zealand, and then I've selected USA and United Kingdom. Now, yes, this is going to cost you money to run ads, but you're going to be making enough back, well, you should be making enough back if it goes well for you to cover the ad costs, and you should be profitable. And then we're going to go down to here, and we're just going to leave everything like this. You might want to put it on search, maybe. Yeah, probably put it on search, actually, because then that will actually put it in front of people that are searching a specific keyword related to woodworking, okay? And then go down here, and then your budget, your daily budget, just start at something like $10 a day. That's all you need. You can always bring it up, or you can always bring it down as you're running your ads. Leave the bidding on automatic, and then simply just choose a pin. So highlight the pin. Once this is highlighted, all you've got to do is go and click launch, and it will launch your ad, and it will go into a review process, and they will review it. Go to here and click launch, and your ad will be launched, and then your ad will be running just like this one here that we found before. Click woodworking projects, and the ad should pop up. It might not pop up because I've actually seen it a lot of times today, so it's going to have a high frequency. Yeah, it's not popping up now, but we do know that there's ads running in this niche, and that's how we're going out and tapping into this massive traffic source, and there's not a lot of people doing affiliate marketing with Pinterest ads. It's very surprising there's not many people at all. But how do you actually scale this up to the next level? What you want to be doing is you want to actually be collecting emails, and I'll show you kind of what that looks like. So this is actually that website from before. He's collecting emails. So what he's doing is he's actually collecting emails, and he's building an email list, and then he's directing them to the affiliate offer so he can actually make more money in the email list, and he can go out and send them the affiliate offer in the email list as well to make more money. Now, if you're interested in going out there and making more money with affiliate marketing and email marketing and stuff like that, I will leave some videos up on the right that will take you through step by step on how you can do that. And I'll also leave a playlist that will take you through how you can start your own affiliate marketing business online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know below. And I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.